My name is Abonyi Samson Izuchukwu, a final year student of the Department of Music, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, and I am the Musan President. Musan stands for the Music Student Association of Nigeria, UNN chapter. I am the president of this association, and I have been in the department since 2015, and I've enjoyed the department. And one of the reasons why I started studying this music was that right from when I was born, I've loved music and I have not done without it. Even though I'm a science student and I intend studying pharmacy, but along the line, the interest caught me up and I found myself here and have loved here. I have learned so many things here in the area of composition, conducting, music ethnomusicologist as well, and other areas of music. And after here I turned venturing into composition, and as a music director I've taught many choirs, many churches in the state. And after here I also intend teaching music in high institutions and secondary schools as well, to develop myself more. Thank you.